Now, conditions for visual inspection. What conditions are required for building inspection? So ISO 97637 states that there are two conditions. In one, there should be 350 lux light intensity. In another one, there should be 500 lux light intensity. So I'll note it down so that you can understand in proper way. Minimum light requirement is 350 lux and minimum recommended light requirement is 500 lux. Now see what is the difference. In exam they will ask you minimum recommended light requirement is, then you have to write down 500 lux. It is minimum recommended light requirement and minimum light requirement is only 350 lux. Okay, it means here they are telling you there should be minimum 500 lux light. But if you're not following about the instruction, about the session, then also in worst to worst case 350 lux is like a bare minimum. Got this concept, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Got it.
any doubt in this, anyone? Because this is like most common question that they ask in the exam. Okay, now this was about the light requirement, and this light requirement varies in different codes. You will study ANDT level 3, there will be different values will be there in lux. You will go for different API, different light requirements are there, so you don't get confused. Now you are preparing for CSWIP 3.1, so you need to memorize this much only.